Hey everyone, I'm just going to give you a few quick updates on some things that are going on because I got to get this video up tonight. I want you all to have a video tonight. So first, there are all of these guys. Finally, a lot of my big caterpillars have pupated and I don't have so many munchers all over my milkweed, which is a lovely thing. So as of today, I am officially not retired on spring break. I have to work one more day and then I'll be retired. I literally have all this week off. I have to go back to work on Monday. And as I walk out the door at the end of that day, I will be retired from teaching public school. And I'm so excited. I feel like it started now because, I mean, really, it's one day. And when I walked out of there today, it was good. So I'm so excited, but I'm quite exhausted. The week before spring break, it's an exhausting week. Let's go see a few things in my garden. My wildflower garden is growing in full speed. Lots of buds. Look at all the green. All the things that were dormant are popping back up. And there's some things coming up. I don't even know what they are. Like, here, I'll just show you one for now. Look at this unique thing. Look at the stem on it. And then there's this. Now I'm guessing this is one of my wildflowers that's come up from seed. I just don't know what it is. I'll hopefully find out as it blooms. But it looks like it's going to bloom soon, so that's going to be super cool. My scarlet hibiscus is growing in beautifully. And look at my little Spanish daisy sneezeweed. It is really filling out. And I love this plant. Look at how frilly, and it's just so soft. And there's the original stem. And it's put out all this new growth since I planted it. My clustered bush mints and my sleepy hibiscus plants I put in, looking fantastic. Everybody seems happy in this garden bed. And what do we have right here? Why, yes, bunch of red pentas. I'm actually going to be delivering these to the Nectary tomorrow morning. So if you wanted some of my red pentas, there's a few plants heading that way. I guess they'll put them out tomorrow. I wouldn't be there first thing in the morning because, well, I'm not a first thing in the morning person right now. Coming off of spring break week, I'm going to sleep in a little, but they will be arriving at some point. And I'm super excited about that. They're all loaded up in the wagon, ready to go out and get loaded into the truck. And I'm totally trying to get back to my rule of 4 or 5. So I'm not bringing anybody else in until that big group dwindles down. And there's so many caterpillars out here in my garden, monarch caterpillars. It's crazy. I'm going to go show them to you. And they're here, like nothing's eating them. And I don't see a lot of the predators yet. They'll come because they'll get a whiff of the caterpillar frass and they'll know to come hunting. But right now this first group seems to be doing all right. So here's one on my Asclepias incarnata, swamp milkweed. There's one on my balloon milkweed. Hello. And look at all that frass. I'm going to dust that off. Look at them all. Happy munchers all over. Look, there's 3 right there. My giant milkweed. It's crazy how many there are. They're just everywhere. And am I complaining? Oh, 100%, absolutely not. Look at this little guy. I mean, I love that they're living it up in my garden. Because that's what it's for. It's for them to live in nature as they were designed to do. I just like to bring in a few to raise. So hopefully, oh look, there's another one. They're going to continue to thrive out here. But I'm still going to bring a couple in, but just a couple. 4 or 5. Look, even my aquatic milkweed, it's about to bloom. Look how pretty. And there's a couple babies over here on it also. And so far in my garden, I've seen a queen, I've seen multiple monarchs, lots of sulfurs, lots of Gulf fritillaries, 2 giant swallowtails, 1 eastern black swallowtail. So they're coming. I constantly check for eastern black swallowtail eggs. I'm in here with my bronze fennel collection, but no eggs as of yet. And I've also started checking my wild lime for giant swallowtail eggs. No eggs yet, but soon. It's going to be soon. And I know this feels like a super short video, and I'm sorry about that. It's just been a week and I am quite exhausted, but I did want to pop in and say hi. Let you know there will be some red pentas coming. I'd like to see how all those monarch caterpillars are doing. And again, just pop in and chat with you. So this whole week, I am so excited to just sleep a lot, get lots of good sleep, and spend time in my garden, sitting, enjoying, filming. I've got some projects in mind and hanging out with you all. So maybe I'll see you more than just twice next week. And now I'm going to go edit this, which shouldn't take long because it's this big, and upload. Talk to me in the comments. Say hey. Let me know if there's something that you want to see in my garden or want me to talk about next week when I'll have lots of time before I go back to work for my one day. And tap the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you next week. It's gonna be a good week.